Well, hello, friends. It is Running Kimono, and this is called Early Morning Walgreens Couponing. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful Sunday morning. Now, if you live in a larger city, you're going to want to watch this video because I have the sneakiest suspicion at your local Walgreens, this specific hand sanitizer might be completely gone really, really quick. So, I guess it must be your Christmas and birthday because they just presented a really valuable coupon. So we're going to talk about the mechanics for this deal and what you should do. Okay, so we have the Dove hand sanitizer, 8 fluid ounces on a buy one, get one 50% off. Now, this is the curbside pickup price. It's not the in-store price. And as you can see, it says at the very bottom, $4.99 off coupon. Interesting. So for this, you're going to grab 2 of them and throw them into your basket and have them as a pickup at store. So you're going to drive to the store, park, press, I'm here, and then they're going to bring it out to your car, and you're going to get this for a freaking song. Again, if you're in a bigger city, do this sooner than later because I think a lot of people are going to want to do this deal. And boom, guys, look at this coupon. We have a $4.99 off of 2 8-ounce Dove hand sanitizers. This is one of those products, look but don't touch, because it is rather pricey, even at $4.99 for one. Like, I wouldn't even stand near one. I am just not that rich. But like $4.99 is a killer price. So as you can see, guys, I put 2 in my basket on a buy one, get one 50% off. So that's $5.61. I got my little tax going on there. The pickup is free. Subtracting that $4.99 off a 2 coupon, I'm paying 96 cents with the tax included. So if you don't factor in the tax, like what? 62 cents for the 2. I mean, that's just a killer price point for these Dove hand sanitizers that if you would go and buy it at any other store, it's $4.99 for one. So like that is just a killer deal. If you live in a bigger city, do this deal sooner than later because I think a lot of people and their mother and grandfather will probably be doing this deal because we never see this fancy line of hand sanitizer this cheap. Other digital coupons that I was taking a peek and I was like, wow, some really good ones. This is a 10 off of 3 for the Gillette disposable coupons. So I'm absolutely going to go and see what kind of a deal I can make happen because this is valid till the 20th, so Saturday. So I'm going to look around and see what will work and what will not, but this is an exceptionally high value coupon. Load it. And then the 4 off of 2, because I know some people were like, it's not going to show up. This is not right. There it is. 4 off of 2. And if you watched my video on Friday, I'll link it at the very end as well. There's a way to get Olay body wash or the bar soap for $1.66 with this coupon. So that's something you're really going to want to check out because it's just a fire deal for like Olay body wash for $1.66. OMG. Hey, and last night, really, really late, the freebie guy posted a video on his Instagram saying that a lot of the orange sticker items hit 90% off. So stuff that was at 50 is now 90. He was finding a lot of like Arizona iced teas, energy drinks, that good stuff. So look in the cooler, but also a lot of stuff like the soaps that were at 50 are now 90. So thank you so much, Kendall. He's always great for posting that sort of stuff on Instagram. And then lots of stuff like this, like, drinks, pops, that sort of stuff. So look for these orange stickers. Clearance is always a year, mileage may vary. So meaning it could be happening in your state. It might not, but I know that Texas and Michigan usually always line up perfectly. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for this today because wouldn't that be nice to get like, iced teas and that sort of stuff at 90% off. That's absolutely what it's about. So be on the lookout, guys. Bolo for this stuff if you like clearance shop. The last thing, guys, before I skedaddle off to the store is this Dial Fancy. Guess what? It's not $3.49. Again, if I would have been in the store on Friday, I might have had more information for you guys, but it's a bit more expensive. I guess this is the most fancy of the fanciness. So I just reworked the deal from my Friday video, and let's look at it in a different light. What you're going to do is grab one of these Dial Fancies and then one Dial for $3.49 for a price point of $8.98. Now, in that savings booklet, there is a buy one, get one free, and Fancy is included. So when you're at the checkout, get the cashier to scan Fancy first and then the cheaper one secondly. Present the BOGO free coupon and $5.49 will come off. You're left with paying $3.49, $1.50 IBOTTA rebate for Miss Fancy. So you're paying $1.99 for the 2 or 99 cents per body wash. And always open up your Ibotta account, double, triple check that that rebate is still there, because these things sometimes vanish while you're in the store or other weird things. But if you get that weird thing like, 2 hours before this expires, I would just pass on it. But if it's there for, there's no weird message or anything like that, absolutely do this deal if 99 cents per body wash is like a good price point for you. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.